Hi everyone, welcome to CAWST's Technology Talk. Today we're going to be looking at the ceramic pot filter. Here it is. It has a plastic lid at the top, a container, and a spout at the bottom. Now, not all containers look like this one. Some of them are made of glass. As you can see, it's not too heavy. I could easily carry this home and put it on my counter. Although if it were to be a glass container, the container and the pot would be extremely fragile. So please be careful. Let's see what we have inside. There is a ceramic pot filter. Look at that. Okay, so this is very much like a ceramic bowl. It feels as if I were to drop it, it would break. So be careful, and also don't take it out when it's filled with water, and don't touch the bottom of the filter. You could contaminate it. I'm gonna put this back inside. The lip along the top ensures that the filter fits nicely over the edge of the container and doesn't fall in, or let any dirt or unclean water sneak in at the sides. Okay, let's put this ceramic pot filter to work, shall we? Here, I collected some water from earlier today and let settle. I'm gonna pour this water into the ceramic pot filter all the way to the top, because the pressure is what helps in allowing the water to actually filter. Well, the pot is full, but I still have water in my bucket. I'm gonna pour the rest in once the water goes through the ceramic pot filter into the safe water container below. Okay, so let's see what's happening inside. I can't see anything. I can't hear anything. Nope, nothing. Wait. I know. This is a brand new ceramic pot filter. The ceramic pot is dry. I'm gonna leave it overnight so that the water can soak through the ceramic material. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Hello, good morning. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, I see that the water has gone through the ceramic pot filter all the way down to the safe water container below. And the water is all gone inside the ceramic pot filter, but it's still wet. So let's try this again. Yeah, let's try this. Let's put the lid back on. Okay, let's see if we got any action going on inside here. I can't see. Wait a second. Maybe. Yes! I can hear it. The water drip. It's working. I want to try my filtered water. Wow, see the water coming out? It looks wonderful. Let's have a sip, shall we? It has a bit of a clay taste to it when the filter is new, but it still tastes great. Well, that's the ceramic pot filter. If you'd like to learn more about the ceramic pot filter, how it works, and how to maintain it, just simply click the link on your screen. Thanks for watching.